Hello everyone! We are proposing Revizor, a data-driven approach to automate frequent code changes based on graph matching. Developers often have to perform repetitive tasks. For example, they apply similar code changes across their projects. It can be either bug fixes or even code enhancements. It seems useful to automatically recommend such common code changes to them. They have to introduce better coding practices or just improve the code in a way that experienced developers do it. So, we are presenting Revizor, a tool that allows you to create custom plugins with quick fixes based on the mined code change patterns for Python. The pipeline behind our approach is like this. We collected and filtered code change patterns and then run our preprocessing script with these patterns to build our own plugin. You can follow the same steps or run our test prototype containing 9 prepared code enhancement patterns and check it out. The plugin will localize patterns in your Python code as soon as you open or change the file in the editor and apply relevant quick fixes if you confirm the suggestion. To represent code change patterns, we use change graphs. It looks like this. Combines program dependence graphs of two source code fragments before and after the change. In the picture, you can see how the range function call in the for loop condition is replaced with enumerate. All graph vertices can be matched to the corresponding tokens of the source code. The edges between them represent different data and control dependencies. The before subgraph is used in matching the pattern in the developer's code editor in the plugin. Okay, now let's see a plugin built with Revizor in action. I open a test project in PyCharm, an IDE for Python developed by JetBrains. When I open a Python file, the plugin highlights potential places for a quick fix application. Here, for example, for its instance checks. I accept the quick fix and the plugin automatically performs the edit. Also, these .keys call can be omitted. Okay, let's do it. And here, the plugin is able to see a pattern in isolated tokens from different lines of code. We can apply the suggested quick fix again. Now, let's open the source code of the plugin and see the code change patterns from the inside. There is a resources directory with 9 patterns that were collected from open source projects, filtered by us manually and preprocessed by our script. Let's see their main components. Firstly, each pattern contains the graph representation of itself in the dot file. Here we can see vertices and edges of the program dependence graph. Here are edit actions used when a not fix is called by the developer. It is created with Gumtree, a source code differencing tool. These are matching modes assigned to all data vertices of the graph. It's generated automatically and used for patterns localization. And finally, each pattern has a tooltip annotation. I wrote them manually during the processing of the graph patterns. The plugin shows this text as a pop-up hint within the code editor. Altogether, Revizor offers an extendable pipeline for automated code enhancement using recurrent code change patterns. So we have shown that static code analysis tools can be created not only by defined heuristics, but also in a data-driven way. Thank you a lot for your attention.